Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Exchange. First, create your account by providing basic information and setting a strong password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for funding your account and trading. Finally, enable two-factor authentication immediately for enhanced security. This simple step protects your assets from unauthorized access, ensuring a safer trading experience on the platform. Once your account is set up, you can fund it. You have two main options: depositing fiat currency or transferring crypto. For fiat, navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred method, such as a bank wire. If you're depositing crypto, select the asset and generate a deposit address. Remember to verify the network and address carefully before initiating any transfer to ensure your funds arrive safely. Now, let's explore trading on Kraken. Head to the Trade tab to see all the available cryptocurrency pairs. You can choose between different order types, like market orders for immediate execution at the best available price. For more control, use a limit order to set your desired buy or sell price. Once your order is placed, it will appear in your open orders until it's filled. Maintaining account security is paramount. Always monitor your login history and enable withdrawal lock to prevent unauthorized transfers. When you're ready to withdraw funds, select the cryptocurrency or fiat amount and provide a verified withdrawal address. Be sure to double-check all details before confirming. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a perfect companion for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.